Hi everyone, it's Lynn here, and I wanted to make this quick video for you to go over the details for Storybook, which is a really fun boys' kit or medieval times. Think about dragons, castles, swords, knights. Could even be for things like, I guess, video games, Game of Thrones, Disneyland, some kind of adventure, birthday parties with medieval time themes. So think about it when I'm showing you the artwork. But before I do, let's get right into some of the products. So here you can see the line of collection of Storybook. And this is the workshop kit, which I highly recommend because it has all of the patterned paper. I will be using always the exclusive patterns. And when you flip these three over, it becomes the green or Seabrook mist side. And that is the side that I'm concentrating on. There are some diamonds and strips and stars in here. The black die cuts are perfect to go along with this kit. A great sticker sheet with castles and dragons, unicorns and crowns. And then, of course, there's a variety pack of cardstock. You have mulberry, mist, Seabrook, honey, paprika, and black. So these are the patterns that are inside the kit. And you can see this black and white pattern. We'll be actually using some markers to color in some of those details. The sticker sheet is really a cute one. It's vibrant with these colors, and I think you're really going to like the artwork that I created. These are the black die cuts, which we are definitely using. You have a nice big castle, a couple of dragons, arrows, hearts, stars, crowns, and these crowns actually work with the sticker sheet. So I've glued them on top of the sticker in the artwork, which really helps accentuate them. The Picture My Life cards are wonderful because we are fussy cutting quite a few, like sleigh, the day words, the dragons, the brick pattern. We are using patterns, and all of these are fussy cut out. So it's something you definitely want to add to this collection. Black ink is pretty much all you need. I did not use stamps, and there are stamp sets that coordinate with this that are on sale right now with Stamptacular at 35% off. So you might want to check that out on the shopping list. I have the link there. I am bringing back an old-time favorite, the circle window frame thin cut, because we are using this 3-inch circle. But if you have something similar, that's all you need. The black glitter paper really brings out the boyish look of these papers. We're just using strips, so the adhesive sheets really work well with that. Black shimmer brush, and this is the stamp set and thin cut that coordinate well with it that I did not use, but you might like it. I do love Once Upon a Time. It's really cute, and these are your thin cuts, but these are 35% off right now. This is the card one, and you have this nice big thin cut, which is kind of magical and whimsical with the stitch lines and stars and dots. The castle and the cloud and the label are also thin cuts, and that's 35% off right now. Here's the first set of pages that you can see. This is where the magic is. So yes, you could use this for something like Disney if you wanted to. But I love how I used the diamonds, the Seabrook paper, and now you can see how I colored in some of the dragons, the swords, the castle. There are some shields as well and some feathers, and it's really a great layout. Now you can see how big that castle die cut is. That's really quite a nice size, and how I've used the black glitter paper here. The dragon is that die cut, and then Happy Day are stickers. I used the sticker feather, and I actually colored it in with markers. I only used 3 markers on this kit as well. Here's a close-up so you can see. He's so cute, isn't he? And I'm using the black ink to actually accentuate pieces of the pattern paper and pieces so that you could just add some color to the edges so they pop a little bit more. The Right Royal is a sticker, and I actually colored them in with the markers. See, note the coloring in of the dragon, the castle, the feather. So you really want to have a little bit of color added to that. Here's the next layout. Sweet boy, you are my treasure. And here I took the sticker rainbow and actually glued it to the black die cuts and popped it up on the page, and that really brought it together with the black glitter lines. It really makes a difference, that black glitter along the edges there. We're tearing some paper here, and we're actually splattering some black shimmer brushing splatters to the base page of the White Daisy. Here's a close-up of that rainbow and one of the little title pieces. So the stars are punch outs, so you don't need any kind of thin cut or anything. They're already there for you. I added that black ink to the edges, and Treasure is a sticker. Now you can see some of the splatters of the black shimmer brush as well. The unicorns, we have a sticker as well as a die cut, and You Are Magical as part of the Picture My Life card. Slay the Day. I love this. I love the colors here. You have the melon, which is just a pop of color. We have Seabrook. We have Mist. And there's where the exclusive pattern paper is turned over to this side with the stripes, adding the star paper. Now this guy right here, he's cut out of a Picture My Life card, just as is Slay the Day. I love the title. I fussy cut the sword and the shield out of the Picture My Life card. And here you can see the circle thin cut here and down here, and there's one up here on the second page. Really a great layout. I love this one. It's my favorite. So here's a close-up so you can see I popped up Slay the Day, and I did fussy cut some of these pieces, and some are stickers. And these are fussy cut out, and I also love that the dragon is holding one of the die cuts, the black die cut sword. The last set of pages, because there are 8 here, is using the exclusive paper here and some of the paper in the kit and some of the punch outs and stickers and just having fun with it. And You Are a Star. So you have Brighten My Day is up here. That's using a circle, the circle thin cut, Picture My Life cards and pieces, and just lots of photo opportunities and journaling that you can do. There's a sticker here that says brother, but you don't have to use it if it's not something you're going to use for a brother kind of layout. But I really like the way it came out, and the star is within the kit. So there really isn't any stamping or thin cutting other than the circles that I've done on this page, on these pages. Here you can see You Are Brighten My Day. That's a Picture My Life card using the round circle thin cut. And this one is a sticker, this dragon. So I popped him up. I added a die cut, a little heart sticker here. Little King is so cute with a little crown here. So all of this is part of the workshop kit with the sticker sheet. And then you want those Picture My Life cards and extra cardstock that we use to make everything that you see here. All of the details are listed on the shopping list. So I hope you'll enjoy this. Once you make a $50 purchase for the workshop kit, I can email you the cutting guide along with the photos so that you can enjoy creating these on your own. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.